How to find someone on Roblox without their username. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to locate someone in Roblox without knowing their username. So is it possible? Let's find out. Typically, there isn't a straightforward method to find someone you have interacted with if you don't have their username. For instance, if you have played with someone but can't locate them now, or accidentally removed a friend and wish to reconnect on Roblox, there isn't an official solution for this, neither on the mobile app nor on the website. One suggestion is to check your computer's web browser history. By pressing Ctrl and H, you can access the browsing history where you may find the games you played or the profiles you visited. Clicking on the profile can allow you to send a friend request or take other actions. Unfortunately, there isn't a comprehensive history of people you have played with available. Apart from checking your browser history, another approach is to revisit the game and explore various servers to see if they are still present. Regrettably, there is no official way to find someone without their username on Roblox. I hope this method I presented can assist you with your situation. If this video has been helpful or informative, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.